In problem 4, Rashad had ducks and cows on his farm. There were 14 animals and a total of 40 legs. We want to find out how many cows and how many ducks there were. So I'll use a table method for this. We're going to have a few more columns than we've had in the other ones. We know that we have so many ducks and that each duck has 2 legs. So I'll have one column called D for ducks and DL for duck legs, C for cow, and CL for cow legs. Then I have A for the total number of animals and AL for the total number of animal legs. So I know that I have to have a total of 14 animals. So I can start with any arbitrary number. I can pick 1 duck and 13 cows. Well, the duck has 2 legs and each cow has 4 legs. So 4 times 13 is 52, and that would give me a total of 54 legs. And that's too many, so we need to obviously we're going to increase the number of ducks because the ducks only have 2 legs, and we'll decrease the number of cows. So let's see what happens. We go to 2 ducks, 12 cows, still have 14 animals, but now we have 4 duck legs, 48 cow legs, for a total of 52. So by increasing 1 duck, decreasing 1 cow, we decrease 2 legs, and we need to get down to 40. So if you want to do that in 1 step or in a bunch of steps, it doesn't really matter. If we decrease by 5 or increase the number of ducks by 5, we now have 7 ducks, decrease the number of cows by 5, so we have 7 ducks and 7 cows. Again, for a total of 14. There will be 14 duck legs. 4 times 7 is 28 cow legs, for a total of 42 animal legs. And now we can just change it by 1. 8 ducks, 16 duck legs. 6 cows to make 14 total animals. 6 times 4 is 24 cow legs, for a total of 14 animals and 40 animal legs. So there were 8 ducks and 6 cows. Again, you could have set up the columns in a different way. You could have started with different guesses. You could have jumped in different increments. But this is a way of doing this without using an algebraic method. Okay, algebraically, we know that the total number of ducks and cows is 14. The ducks have 2 legs. So 2 times the number of ducks will give us the number of duck legs, and 4 times the number of cows will give us the cow legs. The duck legs plus the cow legs added together has to equal 40. Alright, so this is similar to one that we did earlier. If we wanted to use the elimination method here, multiply the top equation by -2. So we multiply everything in the first equation by -2. We get -2d minus 2c equals -28. We copy down the second equation and we just add down. The d's will go away. We'll end up with 2c is equal to 12. C is equal to 6. And then since the ducks plus the cows have to equal 14, the ducks, what number plus 6 is 14? The ducks will have to equal 8, and we get the same values as we had using the guess and check method.